This a conversation I'ma have with you, cause there'll be days you'll tread without your dad with you. See, there's a difference with some of those in your class with you. That very difference why some go grow and be mad with you. So let me start. Okay, look, put it like this.